is for apple. 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 A is for apple. B is for ball. 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 B is for ball. C is for cat. 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 C is for cat. D is for dog. Dog. G is for dog. A is for elephant. Elephant. A is for elephant. F is for fish. Fish. F is for fish. G is for goat. Goat. G is for goat. H is for hat. Hat. H is for hat. Let's sing the sounds. Let's sing along. Learning phonics is so much fun. I is for igloo. Igloo. I is for igloo. J is for jelly. Jelly. J is for jelly. J is for kitty. Kitty. K is for kitty. L is for lion. Lion. L is for lion. M is for monkey. Monkey. M is for monkey. N is for nest. Nest. N is for nest. O is for octopus. Octopus. O is for octopus. P is for pig. Pig. P is for pig. Let's sing the sounds. Let's sing along. Learning phonics is so much fun. Q is for queen. Queen. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. R is for rabbit. S is for sun. Sun. S is for sun. T is for turtle. Turtle. T is for turtle. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. U is for umbrella. V is for van. Van. V is for van. W is for whale. Rail. W is for whale. X is for fox. Fox. X is for fox. Y is for yo-yo. Yo-yo. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. A to Z. Hip hip hooray. We learned our letters. Sounds today. Yeah. A to Z. C E. Learning phonics. Really?
Don't forget to subscribe to Tofi and Friends. Bye-bye.